So if you're scratching your head about the heavy video export size, you're in the right place. Because I'm here to help you solve that fucking problem. Oh. Excuse my language. Let's dive into what we came to do here. First thing first. Open your HandBrake app. I'm assuming you already have it installed in your PC. If you haven't, hit subscribe and leave a comment and I will guide you through the installation. You can drag and drop the video file you want to compress here, but let me use the clicking method. Now double-click here to load the video you want to compress. Let me actually show you the size of the video we're compressing. I hate scammers. You can see here it's 423 MBs. That's fucking crazy for a 1 minute video. Then click open and let it load. This PC is very slow like a totees, but I have faith that it's gonna make it. You know, good things take time. Here is the duration of the video. Here select the format. There are actually multiple choices of formats. You can select a lower or higher format. Cool, right? After selecting the format of your choice, then select the folder where you want to save the video. Leave some of these in default, unless you know what you're doing, then hit Start Encoding. Start encoding. Just wait a little bit for this bar to turn all green and then finished. Let me play you a music as we wait the result. It's one of my favorites. In the meantime, you can subscribe, like, and comment. Let's check the size of the compressed video file. Yeez. Now that I've save your data and disk space. The least you can do